Welcome all of you. We shall be doing subtraction of algebraic expression today. In the previous video, we have done addition of algebraic expressions. So we'll see how one algebraic expression is subtracted from another one in this video. We'll start with the very first sum here. A minus 2b minus 3c. Okay, from so they have asked us to subtract this one from minus 2a plus 5b minus 4c. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 4c. Now, these are the two expressions. This is one expression and this is the other expression that we have to subtract. So, we'll have to first note from before which expression we have the from written. It is before this expression we have the from written. Okay, so this expression will always go in front. This is a very common mistake that people put this in front and this later, or this on top and this later, and subtract it. Very commonly done. Okay, we have to understand that this has been asked to subtract from this, so this goes on top. We are first going to do the vertical method of subtraction. Then we'll take up one horizontal method also. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 4c. A minus 2b minus 3c. Okay. So, I have written this first and below that I have written, but note one thing, I have matched all the like terms. A comes under the A, B comes under the B, and C comes under the C. The same applies for additions also. Okay, so here now I am going to subtract, but before I start subtracting, subtraction requires whatever the sign is for this one will be changed to the other sign. Means if it is a minus, it changes to plus, minus changes to plus. Here no sign is there, means there is a plus sign, so we change it to minus. So all the signs of the lower expression, the expression below, has been changed. Now we are going to work on it. The C just gets written as the C. Okay, then this is a minus 4 and this time we take this sign plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3. It works just like integers. So minus 4 plus 3 is a minus 1. Okay. Then this is a plus 5 and a plus 2. You just write the b as it is. We just have to copy down the variable. And then 5 and 2, that is a plus 7. Okay, we are taking this sign in consideration. We don't think about this anymore. Then the a just gets written here, and minus minus 3a. Okay, so this is the final answer. We have minus 3a plus 7b minus c. This is our final answer of the subtraction. Let us take another one, which is 5x square plus minus 3xy, 5x square minus 3xy plus y square plus y square. This is being subtracted from 7x square minus 2xy minus 4y square. Minus 2xy minus 4y square. Okay, so this is our first expression. This is the expression which has the from before it. So we are going to take this and write it on top. 7x square minus 2xy minus 4y square. Okay, and then we are going to take this and write it below, like terms under like terms. Okay, so like terms get written under the like terms. Now we have the equations, the expressions ready. The lower one gets a change in sign, so this changes to minus, this changes to plus, and this changes to minus again. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5y square. Okay, so minus 4 and minus 1, that is a minus 5y square. Here we just write down the xy. We don't have to work on the xy or the y square in subtractions or additions. We don't work on the variable part at all. We just work on the number part of it. The variable part just gets written as it is. So minus 2 plus 3, that is a plus 1. You can write the 1, even if you don't write the 1, it is perfectly okay. Simply xy also means 1xy. Then write down the x square, and this is plus 7 and this is minus 5. So that is a plus 2. Okay, even if you don't write this plus in the beginning, right at the beginning, the first term, if it is negative, you have to write. It is compulsory. But if it is positive, it is okay if you don't write. I have written it just to explain. So plus 7 and a minus 5 gives a plus 2. Okay, so this is the answer ready now. This is our final answer. Now what I'll do is, the same sum I'll do in the horizontal method, because some teachers insist on the horizontal method of subtraction. Okay, so how do we do the horizontal one? Let's see now. Here, we'll write this first again. We had written this on top in the vertical method, and now we are going to write this here. So it is 7x square minus 2xy minus 4y square minus. Okay, why this minus? This minus is coming because we are subtracting. That is why this minus. This minus is not coming from any of the signs anywhere. So we copied down the expression which comes before the, after the from, okay, first, okay, and then we put a minus sign. Now we are going to use a bracket. Remember, using a bracket is compulsory, okay. So 5x square minus 3xy plus y square, it is compulsory to use a bracket. That is equal to, now we'll just open the bracket in the first step. Only opening. Till now I have only copied. Then write the minus 5x square, that is minus with a plus. No sign here means a plus. So minus with a plus is a minus. Minus with a minus is a plus. Minus with a plus is a minus. Okay, so we have now opened the bracket. See what we had changed the sign. We had changed the sign in our previous sum when we did in the vertical method. The same change in sign, if you notice, has happened here also because of the bracket. So if you don't put the bracket, there will be no change in sign. So please don't try to take a shortcut without adding the bracket. You must put the bracket and then come to this step. Now we'll collect all the like terms together. 7x square minus 5x square minus 2xy plus 3xy. Okay, minus 2xy plus 3xy. We are collecting like terms, but then don't put brackets again. Now don't put brackets. Some people will be putting brackets here and putting a bracket here, okay, to separate out the like terms. That will make your sum go wrong very easily. So no putting brackets after collecting like terms. Minus 4y square minus y square. Okay. Now x square just gets written like that. We are working on the x square. 7 minus 5, that's a 2. That is a plus 2. Okay. xy just gets written like that. Minus 2 plus 3 is a plus 1. This time I didn't write the 1 just to show you. So you can even write just plain xy. Then talk about the y square. I just wrote the y square just like that. Okay. And minus 4 and a minus 1. Minus 4 and a minus 1 gives a minus 5. So this is our answer by the horizontal method. Okay. We shall be taking up another question which will be completely in the horizontal method only. Okay, our next question, only horizontal method. The next one is minus 2a plus b plus 60 from 5a minus 2b minus 3c. 5a minus 2b minus 3c. Now if you note this sum, there is something little different in this question. This is one expression and this is the other expression. If you note here, this has a, b, d, that has a, b, c. Okay, so we don't have exactly the same like terms. What do we do in this case? First thing, let's write this. 5a minus 2b minus 3c. We just wrote it. Minus. Now we'll put this. Minus 2a plus b plus 6d, all in brackets. This bracket, if you don't put the first one, bracket is not compulsory. The second one, bracket is compulsory. Now we will open this bracket and we'll see the change in sign. Minus 2b minus 3c plus 2a minus b minus 6d. You see, there has been a change in sign for all these terms inside it. Okay, that gives me 5a plus 2a. I have collected the like terms. Minus 2b minus b minus 3c minus 6d. 7a minus 3b. This is 5 plus 2, 7, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Okay, and then comes the problem. There is no c here to pair with, so we just write it like that. Okay, there is nothing to pair with this d, so this also we just write like that. Okay, so this is our final answer ready, where we didn't have exactly two sets of like terms. Okay, so this is how we subtract one expression from the other. We have done both the methods, vertical and horizontal. So in our next video, we shall be doing simplification of algebraic expression. Means that will be a sum where there will be addition and subtraction all combined. Okay, they don't name it as addition or subtraction, they rather call it as simplification. So that's it for today. If you have liked my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks all of you.